welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna do what's in my hospital bag. What's in my hospital bag and everything. So I'm very excited to bring this video to share with you. It's been in my mind and I was so excited to do it. So here it is. I'm finally here, guys. So if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and also like this video already for more content to come, and also to show love and support. Okay, thank you so much for subscribing and liking the video. Okay, so yeah, what can we say? Here we are. Woo, finally. Today I'm at 29 weeks 3 days, and they really want the baby to come out because my very first baby, I had a C-section with him, and then the second one I was able to do natural or vaginal delivery, and now this time I want to do the same thing again. Since baby is not coming, I am scheduled on Wednesday to go for a cesarean. Okay, so if it doesn't come between tonight and tomorrow, on Wednesday morning I will go at 7:30 and they will do an operation to get the baby out. So yeah, I need lots and lots of prayers, guys. Let's move on with the what's in my bag. So yeah, guys, I've been so excited and I wanted a nice bag just to go around, to take to the hospital, and also when I'm traveling I wanted it to be a traveling bag as well when we're going on vacation and things like that. And that's exactly what I had in mind. It didn't have to be this particular brand, but I just wanted that type of tote, you know, that size, that shape. That's what I was aiming for. And every time I went to the stores, I went to the mall, I saw them and they were really overpriced, and I was like, ooh, I can't drop $300 in a bag. Okay, so I wasn't about to buy a bag for $300. So I was able to go to TJ Maxx and I found this one. It was a really good price compared to what it sells for at the mall. So yeah, so I'm very happy. It's so spacious, so it should be able to carry everything that I need, and it has this little pouch inside as well. It's attached inside, but I can put things in there, so that's really nice. And yeah, so I got it for more than like half price at TJ Maxx. Okay, so if you need a nice bag and you can't afford it at the mall, give TJ Maxx or Marshalls a try. I went to Ross, but they didn't have anything there in that type of size and shape, so I got this one. It's a nice quality leather bag, so that's gonna be nice. So I was able to get this one. I saved some money. I got exactly what I had envisioned, so I'm really happy about the bag. Okay, now what am I gonna take to the hospital? At the hospital they give us a lot of stuff. Okay, they give you a lot of stuff, like a ton of stuff. They'll have the pads, they'll provide the pads. They have these mesh undies that they have, you can even take them home. Some of them they'll give you a ton, and you can take whatever you don't use at the hospital, you can take it home because they are throwaways. Okay, you just use it and then you throw it away once you are done. Okay, there'll be wipes for babies and everything that we can all use. They'll have the gowns, the hospital gowns that we can use, but especially when you're in labor, that's what you'll be wearing and stuff, so that way the doctors, the nurses, the midwives can have easy access to check what they need to check. But once you are done with giving birth, you'll be able to use your own stuff. So let's start with that. What am I bringing? So I'm bringing some really nice pajamas like this, and it has the nightgown. So, well, it's a nightgown and it has the, what is this called again, the bathrobe to go over it. So I have this set that I'm gonna be taking with me after giving birth to use. It's easy, it has the, that's how the front is made. It will be easy for me to nurse and everything. After I take my shower, after giving birth, I'll be able to wear this still be able to nurse the baby, do skin to skin. It's loose. So yeah, so that should be that. And I also got another one because with my baby girl, I brought them and they were lifesavers. It made my life so much easier to just have my own to wear and stuff until all checkups. And what else? So now clothes. You don't need a ton of clothes, okay? You don't need a ton of clothes. But once you are done giving birth, you do need something comfortable to walk around with, to walk around in. So I got these. I got these from Ross. So I got these pants. Okay, they're long, elastic, not too tight. Yeah, so I got that. I got 2 of those, and I'll take both of them with me. That's what I did with my daughter. I got these two pairs of like these type of, I'm having contractions. Okay, so I got this color, and it's just as nice. They are soft, loose on, not extremely loose, but they're not like skin tight. And then I got this one as well. That's like super loose that I can wear. I can use it as pajamas. I can sleep in them if I'm cold. It's winter here. So I can sleep in these if I need to make myself very warm. So these are what I have, these 3 sets that I got, okay, that I'm gonna be wearing in the hospital. Now for tops, where are my tops? Okay, we want easy access to be able to nurse, to be able to do skin to skin. So I didn't buy anything tight, anything like extravagant or over the top. I'm a minimalist, guys, so I don't like to get over the top, so I just kept it simple. I got these. I used to sell these online. So I have these built-in bra type of, what is this, spaghetti straps? No, tank tops. I got these tank tops. They have the built-in bra. Okay, so you just unbuckle it like this. Okay, and then it comes loose. You can nurse easily. It's big. I got a medium size, so that way I can slip the baby in there and do skin to skin and let him warm up against my skin and stuff like that. So I can wear these with any of the pants. Then I got this. What does it say? Welcome to the good life. So I can wear that. Okay. Yeah, and then I'll take one more shirt with me. I'll take this. Okay, so I got a few tank tops because tank tops are so easy when you're nursing. So I got these tank tops. I got these at Walmart. They're relatively cheap. So I got these at Walmart. So I'll be taking these. I don't know if how long I'll be in the hospital. So I'll take some extra ones just for just to make sure that I don't have to call my husband to bring me clothes and stuff like that. So okay. So all in all, this is the little pile of clothes I'll be taking. It's not that much at all. Okay, it's just my nightgowns, my 2 pants, and 2 tank tops, 3 tank tops, and 1 t-shirt. Okay, so that's what I'll be using. I'll be wearing. Now shoes. We want to be able to walk around. They'll give you these socks that has this little sponge on the bottom that you can walk on the floor with. But I just want to bring slippers. So I got this pair of slippers from where? I don't know. Yeah, I got it from a discounted store, so it was a good price. Yeah, so I got this one. Pardon me. So I got this one to be able to walk once I'm done delivering the baby. Yeah, so that's what I have. What else am I taking with me? Yeah, guys, so this is very, very important. As I said, they will provide some undies that you can throw away. They'll mesh like ones, but they're okay. They'll hold the pads in and stuff like that. But I thought it was necessary for me to get these. I don't know how this broke. Okay, so I got these underwears. Okay, so because I don't know how the baby's gonna come, since I have two options solid on the table. So I got these. They cover the whole bottom and stuff like that, and it will be good to hold in the pads and things. So I got one pack of that has 3, and it's good to get colors because, you know, if you leak and stuff like that, you don't want to have to like just throw away your underwears or have to struggle to get them clean. So get gray, black, okay, so that way it's easier to wash off. And I found these, they're really nice. They're like solid elastic, so that's gonna help as well to like help bring in the tummy and things like that, tightening it in. So I found many, so I got 2 of those. Okay, yeah. Now we do need bras. I bought nursing bras from eBay, but I accidentally bought from someone who's outside the US. Okay, so now they told me it's gonna come at the end of January, and they said it's already being shipped, so I can't cancel anymore. So I just had to deal with that. So I didn't want to buy more nursing bras, so I just went through and got myself these ones. Okay, so I'll probably take just one with me to the hospital, but as the underwear, I'm gonna take all of them just to be safe. Yeah, so now I might bring a few pads, but I know for sure they will provide the pads for me at the hospital. I had a little interruption with salespeople. Woo. Okay, so what else? Am I making this too slow? Yeah, so I do have nursing pad. Okay, so I'm gonna bring a few of these with me, just in case when the milk comes. It usually takes 3 to 4 days, and I have small breasts, so I'm usually leaking all over the place, wetting my clothes and stuff like that. So I'm gonna bring these just for protection, so I don't have to be changing or bringing a lot of clothes. Okay, I'm gonna be bringing my camera here, but I won't have anyone in the hospital with me, so I don't know how I'll be able to take pictures or anything or videos. But I plan on laboring at home if I go into labor. I have charger. I got this because it's 10 feet. Oh, yeah, I have my speakers that I'll be using to listen to music and whatnot, stuff like that. Yeah, I love wearing face masks when I'm going to sleep. You know, the lights are so bright at the hospital, so I'll be why was I trying it on? I have no idea. So anyway, so I'll be using these as well. I'll be taking this with me, and then I need here my bags of stuff. What is it? Toiletries. I have my deodorant. I use this type. Don't laugh. It is men's, but I use this. Okay, so I have a little body spray. Okay, we want to smell decent. Take our showers, take our bath, wash, smell nice. You need to do that. Okay, so I have toothpaste. I have my brush. I have my lotion. And this is one smart thing that I just came up with. Yay! Okay, so I made smaller proportion, and I found these little containers at the dollar store. So yeah, so this is a little coconut oil because I have really ashy skin, so I'll be able to rub that on. And then I have this little gel. I have lotion. Yeah, so I'm taking everything in small containers, just like when we're traveling through airports. Like, they want everything in this small, compact, you know. So I did that. Okay, and then I have a few earrings that I'm taking with me. It's all in here. So that's my toiletry. Okay, and that's that. what else? I have one more thing. I don't know what. Oh, here it is. Okay, so I have this little bag. That's these are the 2 bags that I have packed. That's my makeup. You don't have to bring a ton of stuff. I'm not bringing a lot. I'm just talking a lot than really the things that I have. Okay, so here I have a makeup remover. I could bring a smaller portion of it, but I'll just bring this whole thing. And then I have my cotton makeup remover, cotton swab and stuff. I'm not bringing a ton of stuff, like just one brush, one mascara, one spoolie to do my eyebrows, and then one palette of this, one palette of that for my eyebrows. That's all I'm bringing, guys. You don't have to bring a load of stuff. That's all for me. Now, I do have my baby's bag, but I'm not so concentrated into the baby yet. I haven't even opened it because they'll provide absolutely everything for the baby. They'll provide you with clothes, hats, socks, gloves, everything. You name it, they have it for the baby. And they are, I mean, it's just this random color, but it works. It works. So I have very few things for my baby. I'm bringing this blanket. I'm bringing this outfit. I know this is Halloweeny, but I really like it. Yeah, so I really like this. I brought that, and then I brought one of these for him. I have the blanket and the stroller. My stroller is not the stroller, the car seat. The base is already installed in the car, and then I have a blanket in it to cover him when we are taking him home. And I'll also use it as well for when the photographers come to take pictures. So I'll use that same blanket to take a picture of him in and stuff. And this is the outfit that I'm gonna be using to take him home. It is super cute. That's the one I really like out of all the things that I have for him. So I got this one, and then these we might just use them at the hospital. Okay, so that's all for the baby. That's the diaper bag. I got it from online. I haven't even opened it yet from its original packaging and stuff. So yeah. Oh, okay, I have these little boots for him because it is, I don't know what the temperature is gonna be here because it varies. One day it's hot, one day it's cold. Yesterday was so nice, today it's freezing cold. Here we have socks, and then I have one bib. I have my hats for him, and then I'm bringing this whole pack of cloth. I remember with my daughter, she was spitting out so much when she was born, so I don't know what will happen with this baby. So I'm bringing a lot of these so I can take care of business. Yeah. Now, 1 second. When we are leaving the hospital, we need an outfit to live. Okay, to exit. So I got this really pretty Calvin Klein. I love Calvin Klein, guys. All my dress, like formal dresses, stuff like this, are Calvin Klein. I'm nuts. Okay, so I got this really awesome dress at Ross. It was an amazing price. Right, so I got this dress. So that's the dress I'm gonna be leaving the hospital in. Hopefully I will fit in it. I used to be a size 4 but I've been eating like crazy. I didn't care about like weight gaining, so I've just been eating. So yeah, so that's the dress I'm gonna be living with. I got the same size that I used to be before, so hopefully I'll fit in it. But if I don't fit, I'm just gonna tie myself up and make myself fit in it. Okay guys, so that's all. Thank you so much for watching. It was a pleasure. Please subscribe. Please show the love. Your sister needs some love in here. Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. If I forgot anything, please let me know in the comment section below. So I hope I didn't go overboard because I don't like that. I like to keep things simple, clear, and straight to the point. Okay, so I'm really loving the bag. I'm really loving it. I can't wait to pack it. So I think I'm gonna pack it right now because tonight that baby has to come out. Okay, that labor has to kick in and for the baby to come out. Okay, guys, mwah. Much love, and don't forget to support your girl here. Okay, bye.